What's the success of influencer marketing compared to PPC? It you cannot differentiate both of them. Okay, you cannot differentiate both of them. Like those two are completely different. Okay, like you have to use both of them. So like I have scaled my product at that level that I require this strategy to scale furthermore. Okay, and for scaling it furthermore to launch new designs, I had to do this method. Otherwise scaling for me was becoming really hard, particularly for this product, because I am launching new variations for this, new designs for this, and I'm not sure whether this designs will the market prefer this or not. So I am using this strategy. Okay, so what I did was basically, first I have actually gone in YouTube and I found like few influencers. Okay, few YouTubers that have your subscriber from 5,000 to 20,000 range. Okay, 5,000 to 20,000 range, who has like kind of good views in the past videos, like I was assuming like 2K to 5K minimum, and who also got a good amount of comments. And in the comments, I actually gone personally and checked how much the engagement rate is, how the audience is actually engaged with the particular YouTuber. And then what I did was, there is an option in YouTube where you can contact and get the email address of the YouTuber. I got the email address and I sent this email to them. Okay, let me just read out what it says. Hi, Sammy here, co-founder of Brand Name. What will be your brand name? Okay, we have come across your YouTube channel and we are so impressed by the hard work you're putting in creating the content on a regular basis. Actually, we have launched a completely new product which is really loved by Amazon customers right now. We sell it normally for 3,599, and I am using this because I want this promotions to be free. That is why I want to tell them that it is not really free, because I am providing a product that is selling for 3,599, so you're getting that product for free. uh, we want to send you one. Okay, now this free of few of them is written because if you want to like provide few more quantities to the influencer to do organize a giveaway, which will actually boost your sales a little bit more. Okay, you can actually use the bracket ones if you want to do the giveaway options as a small gift from our side. Okay, so we want to send you one as a small gift from our side. You can use it and we will be so happy if you share it with your followers too. Okay, and for giveaway option, the bracket one will be applied. I have attached the image. Okay, I have attached the image of the product, and this is a link to the product as well. This is your normal link with the a sign, no keyword is there. So okay, because I have shared this link because the influencer is going to use their affiliate link, they are not going to use my link, obviously. Okay, so they are going to go in Amazon affiliate associates website and create a separate link where they will earn referral fees when someone buys from them. Okay, please let us know how can we send it to you. So I am literally asking them for their your delivery address. Okay, so this is the thing that I did, and then I got reply from them. I send them a product. Okay, they obviously send their address and mobile number, and then I created a removal order from FBA. Okay, went to Amazon, and then I created a removal order. I provided their address as the shipping address, their phone number as the shipping contact number, and then it went to them in like 2-3 days. And I hadn't have not actually, like, I do not have to bear the your Amazon referral fees or so, those type of fees, because it was a removal order. And then they got the product, and within few days they created a review video. Okay, now there's something interesting happened. So they have actually used my product in a review. Okay, and in that review they were showing few other products. Okay, like my products was one of them, and there were four other products. But in the comment section, the audience really liked my product and they wanted a separate video for my product. And that is why when it is getting it got interesting little bit, so they have actually made another second video. Okay, like it was completely dedicated to our product, my product. Okay, and that actually got little bit more traction, and I got really good sales.